Welcome to Emilak Online Tutorial. Now let us look at this exponential equation. And it said 2x 2 raised to the power of x equals 3 raised to the power of y equals 6 raised to the power of minus z. And we are told to find 1 all over x plus 1 over y plus 1 over z. Okay, so how do we get, or how do we start with this? Now let us take note for the fact that we are given this equation. It implies that 3 raised to the power of x equals 3 raised to the power of y, which is also equals to what? 6 raised to the power of minus z. Okay, I want to do this. Let me just equate them. So you can say 2 raised to the power of x can be also equals to what? 6 raised to the power of minus z, right? Okay, and here we can also still say that 3 raised to the power of y equals 6 raised to the power of minus z. Okay, all right. Now let's do this. Let's raise this to the power of 1 over x. Why I'm doing this is for me to eliminate x. So, and to generate 1 over x. So here we have 2 raised to the power of x, all raised to the power of 1 over x, then equals 6 raised to the power of minus z, all raised to the power of 1 over what? X. Okay, let me also apply the same rule here. We have 3 raised to the power of y, all raised to the power of 1 over y, then equals 6 raised to the power of minus z, all raised to the power of 1 over y. Okay, now we know that according to the law of indices, if you have a raised to the power of m, all raised to the power of m, it implies that a raised to the power of what? M. Okay, applying that rule here, now if you have x times 1 over x, you will know this will eliminate this, so we are left with 2 here, then equals to 6 raised to the power of minus z all over x. So at this point here we also have 3 because y will eliminate y, so equals 6 raised to the power of minus z all over what? Y. Okay, let's do this. Let's say this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Okay, now let us multiply this by this, so which means 2 times 3 equals 6 raised to the power of minus z over x times 6 raised to the power of minus z all over what? Y. Okay, now this will give us 6, right? Because 2 times 3 is 6. And according to the law of indices, if you have a raised to the power of m times a raised to the power of n, as long as they have the same base, we can have it as a raised to the power of what? M plus what? N. Applying that rule here, we have that 6 raised to the power of minus z all over x. Then since here we have minus, okay, plus minus, so this will give us minus because we are having plus minus then plus minus, so this plus times minus will give us minus. So here we have minus z all over what? Y. Now take note that this is what? Raised to the power of 1. Now since they have the same base, we can have it as 1 equals minus z all over x minus z all over what? Y. Now let us factor out. You can see we have the same factor, which is z. Now factor out z, or minus z rather. So here we have 1 equals minus z, then into 1 all over x plus 1 all over y. Now if you divide both sides by negative z, you have minus z, all this minus z. So here we have minus 1 all over z equals 1 all over x plus 1 over what? Y. Now if you take minus 1 over x, 1 over z over to the right hand side, then we get to have that 0 equals 1 all over x plus 1 all over y plus 1 over what? Z. Automatically you can see that 1 all over x plus 1 all over y plus 1 all over z equals what? 0. And that's the answer to the question. If you love what I've just done, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and ensure you click on the notification button to be notified of all my videos in physics and mathematics. Thank you and God bless you.